Got this 2001 Jimmy that just came in. It's a run and drive. It's a nice looking vehicle here. It's got a tow package on it. We ain't got it all cleaned up yet, so it's a little dirty, but I just wanted to go ahead and put it out there for everybody to see. We'll check the miles on it, see how many miles is on it. Missing a center cap there. 2 center caps on this side. I might have some inside to put on it. I just hadn't had a chance to look yet, but wanted to get it. Uh-oh. Me indoors. Wanted to get it on here, show you about it. Just hadn't hit the door unlocked yet. Hey, hit that unlocked door right there. Did you get it? Ah, me indoors have a problem. Karen can fix it. Did you get it? It don't work. The door unlocked. There you go. You just got to hit that right button. There we go. We finally found it. A lot of buttons on that door. We got some gray interior here. Let's see if we can get that back open now. There we go. Nice big roomy back here. If you're interested in this, I think I got 32 on it. It's got a tow package on it. Power windows, power locks. Power windows. Like I said, we ain't got it cleaned up yet. It looks a little, floor looks a little dirty, but just got it in, got it tuned up, cleaned up. Not cleaned up, tuned up. I just want to show everybody about it. I got to get this rearview mirror put back up. That's a 32. It's got 110,000 on it. Wow, that's pretty good. There's no lights on. This light right here says door ajar. Gate rear, actually, gate ajar. So, nice little vehicle. Y'all come see us. Let me know if you need it. '01 Jimmy tow package. With the tow package right there. 3200. Come see us. WW Kustomz, Toccoa, Georgia. 706-244-4338.